Guys, join me, Man, join me more friend, enjoy this my kebab first. Now join me, my friend, enjoy my kebab first. But we call this is our sister matter. Now join me. Those of now I be eat kebab, now join me. If you know how to eat kebab, join me. Join me, join me. Join me, I'm gonna join me because this is our sister matter. Person need to sit down because I don't really see the matter. Laura Ben, I don't really see your matter. You really need help. I bet that our sister and she really need help. Guys, join me, Mona, join me. Join me. I see the hot. Mona, join me, I see the hot, I see the hot. Join me on Sam. Very yummy. Very yummy. Mona, join me. Prayer okay, say eat alone. Prayer okay, I don't eat alone. I say join me. Why not join me? Say good evening, brother. I greet to my brother. I greet all of you now. Prayer okay. This is our sister matter. Not be matter whether you settle down eat kebab first. You understand me so? You say that eat kebab before we come reason that matter because when the video where I see where you go do a Yuri platform just now, I don't listen and say we no need to talk to her engage. She really need help. She really need help, not be like. When I join me, we reason this matter. She really need help, not be like. The video where I see just now, what she do for Yuri platform, she really need help. If not be a pro gossiper, we make me see her. I for not see her because I dey watch the Yuri platform. Now I pro gossiper and the microphone. Now they watch. I pro gossiper and the microphone. And they give us the Ogboge news. Say Laura, no well. I don't not be loud. She not really well. I don't see her matter. So she not really well. We don't need to the sort her again. She really need help. You understand me? So she really need help. When I join me, you understand me? She really need help for real. That our Benin sister need help. Oh. Anywhere we'll fit help her, more try. More help her. I dey come and take them. See Laura head not correct. No, that our sister, she need help, don't be lying. You understand me? No, that our sister really need help, don't be lying. As I watched a video for Yuri platform just now. Now I see, now kebab I enjoy this matter. Not be, she really need help, for real, eh? For real, she need help. We need to help her, eh? For real. As we come to help her, now I can be the matter now. Which platform will help her? Me not use Yuri platform to help am. Except in only Yuri because Yuri wey dey give 63,000 euro. She will fit help now. Yuri wey dey give 63,000 euro. She will fit help. Eh? I don't know 63,000 euro they give Yuri. She money full everywhere now. How much she will get want to buy ticket? Not reach 1,000 euro now. If you Yuri give her 3K, 60,000 euro still there. My people, Mona join me, for real. They you me. Look at them, the kebab they you me, they rich. They rich well, very rich. You can join me anywhere you are. Dora Ben, you really need help, don't be like. Dora Ben, you really need help, for real. Your matter don't be here. Your Ogbanji, they need to go renew for us. Your Ogbanji, they need to go renew for us, not be like. My fans, now you feel me? Laura Ben, she really need help, not be like they tell now. The video where I watch just now for Aproko Gossiper. I'm gonna go. If I ever watch the video, I'm gonna go Aproko Gossiper. Aproko Gossiper, I'm gonna go watch them. I'm gonna go Aproko Gossiper, go watch them. Aproko Gossiper and the microphone, and then they give us the Ogboge news for now. Hello? Now they feel me? So Lord Ben, may I don't forgive you. Lord Ben, did you hear me so? Me, I don't forgive you, eh? Me not there, those your, I don't see your real level. Me, I don't forgive you, please don't forgive you. So, I don't forgive you. Me, I don't get banamish with you. Me, I don't see your matter. So, me, I don't forgive you. You know what I'm saying? I keep by the eat for the matter, so. Can't join me, oh. Man, can't join me. I beg. Anywhere we fit help that our Benin sister. No try render help, give her. She really need help. Now you feel me? She really need help. That our sister really need help. Don't be loud. Now you feel me, my people? Truth nothing me they don't talk oh. Nothing my homie they talk the truth. Me must talk the truth. What do you make me attack her before? Because I see the way you have to come out they talk to people here. I don't listen and say something is very wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Eh? Lord I bet matter something is wrong somewhere. Mona, I dey try to tell her something is wrong somewhere. She not do well. No try any wish you fit help her. Eh? Pretty Johnson say she is not with her right senses. No, yeah, that's true. Pretty Johnson, yeah, that's true. She's not with her right senses. Yeah, I don't really confirm her. That's true. She's not with her right senses. Not be like Ogbanji. Agbaje she need to go work on Agbaje well. Something is wrong somewhere. Not be loud. Rosemary Yabo. He say na everybody na Laura the key. Na everybody Laura the key. No, she not do well. No, the reason like that. God go make her do well. God go make her do well. And they feel me? God go make her do well. Not waiting Pretty Johnson, right? Pretty Johnson, abi? She says she's not with her right senses. Yeah. Don't be lying, she's not with her right senses. So make una know the Amata. Get the way Amata be. So we don't let Amata the two bother anybody wey she insult. We not take her as something. Now you feel me? Now they feel me, my people. Now they hear me. Anybody wey she insult from now, we not take her as something. Anybody she insult from now, make una not take her as something. Now they feel me. I'm gonna call it kebab. Enjoy kebab with me. So she's not with her right senses. I don't already see her. So anything which she just do from now, I'm just the. I'm gonna let her the two. I'm gonna tell the reason now. As me just dey enjoy so. If I just get chance, me I just dey enjoy. Now let this life. The person die, don't go. What do you gain if you not enjoy? If you not enjoy, what do you gain? My people, if you not enjoy, what do you gain? What tell me? As I take break for work now, I saw if you can't enjoy. I don't like them. Some people say I know they work. He say, please advise Enogi not to saga her. She's not just okay. Abi? Yes, now Enogi supposed to say. Now Enogi will even know say she not dey well. Enogi not fit reply her again. No, that one I sure now. Pretty Jassy, Enogi not fit reply her again. Not worry for that one. As I say, Enogi don't confirm and now say something is wrong. Enogi not fit reply. If Enogi start to reply her again, now people will come to laugh at Enogi now. You hear me so? If Enogi start to reply her again, as me be now, me not fit reply her again. Or me fit happen. Not say where I fit reply the video where I fit do. I see the way they molest Benin people. You they talk anyhow. I know they like people. They molest. If they molest Benin people, I know they like them. You feel me so? Anywhere you see say they molest Benin people, don't say how they like them. There's some Asian people where you they see now. Some Asian people don't go through platform now. They insult their kingdom. They insult their head. That make you say there's no time where we say Asian people will not take the observe them well. There's no time. There's no time we not take the observe some people well. So say some people, not say we not like now, but the one that they do rebel right from time, right from our ancestors. Now they do rebel, they call rebel, and I don't want some of them want to change. Get one platform where I watch with the I see say some people they insult their kingdom. It's good like that. I some people they insult their kingdom. Now people, some people they insult their kingdom. It's not good like that, man. Yahweh, woman, I own a meroi. Now see say una whole kingdom where people they happy say only Edo State now produce kingdom. Now where be the EDG of the Edo State? Now they saw the kingdom now for come. That one makes sense. My people, any platform that say they insult Edo kingdom. Man, I know they want those kind of platform again. They be evil people. Any platform that say they insult Edo Kingdom. As I say, insult Edo Kingdom. Any platform, as I say, they insult Edo Kingdom. Now they watch those people. Those people that they be useless souls to our nation. Anywhere now, as I say, they insult our Edo Kingdom, Benin Kingdom. When I know say those people they insult our kingdom, they be useless souls. They don't be real human beings. They be useless souls. They don't get parents again. Their family don't destroy. You understand me so? Now they feel me. Anywhere as I say they insult Benin, Edo platform. Now how they pull here, oh. No, not destiny for the go on. Make the land for the blessing now. The land of Edo made for the blessing. The land of Benin Kingdom made for the blessing. If they support those people, they say they want to bring Edo State down. If they support those people who want to bring Edo State down, it don't feel better for now. Any people at all where say they support any platform where they try to bring Edo State down, shall never be well with you people. As I they lay cost on now, so the land they lay cost on now. Any platform where they try to bring Edo State down, it can never be well with you people. It can never be well with you people. As I they lay cost on now so Edo State land they lay cost on now. Anybody where they bring his father down, or anybody where they bring his parents down, how can that person succeed in life? You just stay, you bring your own parents down, you bring your own ancestors down. Yeah? How can that kind of person succeed in life? You stand, you say, may they clap for you. You bring your whole community down. Your whole community, your ancestors, you bring all of them down. You say, may they clap for you. Eh? It makes sense. Now, even Europe over there, so. Now, they say all the countries that they make their country be one of the best. Any state you dare for Europe, you say that state, they challenge your that state. They want to make their state be one of the best states. Why BC would they bring our own state down? Why? Why would they bring our state down, my people? Any people where they plan all those kind of evil, do they bring our state down? It shall never be well with you people. It shall never be well with you people. Anywhere you stand put, any area you stand put, you want to bring Edo State down in any area. It can never be well with you. For real, it can never be well with you. Anywhere you stand, you want to bring Edo State down, it can never be well with you. It can never be well with you. For real, you and your generation can never be well with you and your generation. What will you all the plan? And the way we'll move Edo State forward. As we'll move Edo State way forward. Now with the plan. Not be the kind they bring our ancestors down. They can't they sort our kingdom. You can't stand they sort our kingdom. Monkey face. Get one guy where they call monkey face where they Jamie. You know, say since then where you all they do. I never really come for your matter. Monkey face. Anywhere you dare monkey face. I never really come for your matter. Monkey face. The time I take off for your matter, monkey face, you yourself, you will regret what make you come for Edo State. Monkey face. Through you now, you don't say and say some Asian people now don't they come out the truth because of you now. They don't they insult many people. Monkey face. You don't they breed people. They come out from your wish kingdom. Monkey face. Anywhere you dare monkey face, it shall never be well with you. The family where you for come, it shall never be well with that family. Family where if you produce that kind of evil human being to be bringing our kingdom down. Monkey face, it can never be well with you. Monkey face, it can never be well with you, monkey face. Anywhere you monkey face day, I continue to lay curse on you. It can never be well with you, monkey face. Monkey face, for you to bring our kingdom down, monkey face, it can never be well with you, monkey face. Monkey face, anywhere you day, it can never be well with you. The way you take they bring our kingdom down, monkey face, it can never be well with you. The people where they join you, they bring our kingdom down, it can never be well with you, monkey face. Anywhere you day for this world, monkey face, it can never be well with you with your generation. Your generation can never be okay. It can never be well with you, monkey face. All the people where they support you, monkey face, it can never be well with all of you now. Anywhere on day, monkey face, so you say, now they bring our kingdom down, monkey face. Monkey face can never be well with you. You just stay one place, so they bring our kingdom down every time. What shall it profit you to bring our kingdom down? You stay Jamie there, you stay Jamie, Jamie where you stay, they don't be kingdom, not be people get that country. You want to tell me say Jamie where you did, they don't get tradition for that Jamie? You know what I mean? Say where you there for their Germany, they don't get tradition. Where you say that you only want to come out, they bring our kingdom down all the time. You have been doing these things for years. Some people they support you, while the real good people know they support you. The evil people where they Benin, where they those states, that they support you. And the evil people where they support you, you will see all of now will pass one who die. Not be lie. It shall never be well with you, monkey face. Anywhere you there for this earth, it shall never be well with you. Monkey face, it shall never be well with you. Anywhere you there for this kingdom, it shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you, monkey face. Not be lie. Oh. Your life and your generation, you take pay for all this evil way you don't do monkey face. You think say you don't do these things and say maybe you will die one day, your generation will live. Any family will come for that generation, they'll continue to bear insult for life. Any family that come from monkey face family, they'll continue to bear insult for life. Monkey face, anywhere you dey for this earth, anywhere you dey, your generation will never know peace. Your generation will never know peace. For you to be bringing Benin people down, for you to be bringing Benin kiddo down every time, and people are clapping for you. Now some people don't clap for you. Now some people don't clap follow you. Some people don't clap follow you. Now they clap follow you. Because why? Now not see we bring Benin people down. All the time, some of the people they try want bring Benin people down. What till we do now? What till we do now? I pay the same one not pass Benin come. Omawo wa lo tono de wa le doria. Omawo wa le doria we be say every time now they stay for the group where they bring Benin people down. Esan go they hide for the group where they bring Benin people down. Why would they be like that? Every time, some people will they hide for the area where they want to bring Benin people down. Some people will go out for that page. Some people will go out for that page. Some people not good there. Not be all of you now. Now some of the some people are very good though. Some people are very good. Why some are your evil? Some people are very good. Some people. Why some are just very bad? I don't know why. Why some are very bad? Why some are very bad? I don't know why. Me know you know why. Why some are very bad? Why? Why some are very bad? This question, they continue to ask this question. Why some are very bad? Why? Why some why are they very bad? Why are they very bad? Why? Every time I always ask my question. Why some are they very bad? Why? Why? It's not good, Mona they do where we be near Esan, we be one. At least now from those states, we know how what did they solve? What did they solve? We be say some Esan you try to bring Benin people down. Why? We not be one. We not be one. We not be one. Only from one state we come. State of Mamakeria, Esan do not be the same state we come. Why some Esan go they add they join Benin from area now go they add from some platform they bring Benin people down. Why? Why? Those one where they social media, they know they speak Asian, though they speak also Benin. If they want to do evil, now they speak Benin. If now they on a platform, they know speak on a language, now they speak also Benin. When I tell they commit evil. Why was that done? Why you commit evil? Some Asian people now right under the platform, they bring Benin people down. They bring the Benin ancestors down. Why? What are the profiting people for doing all this? What you go profit to now? What you go profit to now? All these things when they do, so what you go profit to now? I bet when they share this video. When they share this video, make that they see how the evil some people. Some people where they evilness. Some people where they evilness. Make that they see this video. I bet when they share this video. I bet when they share this video. Make some people where be say that they evilness. Make that they see this video. Why? Well, the question why they always they ask why some people go stay under the platform, they bring people down. Now that question they always ask. Why some people they always they go stay on that some platform, they bring Benin people down. What you go profit to now? What you go profit to now? All this is what they do. So what you go profit to now? Which gain una go gain? Which kingdom una want they fight for? Some people when they do all these kind of evil things, which kingdom una they fight for? Now what they fight for? Now some kingdom want they fight for? Which kingdom una they fight for? Now one they see two kingdoms from one country, from one state. Now one they see two kingdoms from one state, they see Benin kingdom and Esan kingdom. What you na problem? Some people, what you na problem? Some of you now, what you na problem? What you na problem? The question that they continue to ask, what you Benin people do now? Wetin be una problem? We now stay under some platform, they bring Benin people down. Wetin be una problem, Mr. people? So Mr. people, wetin be una problem? Wetin Benin people do now? Una dey see Igbo as the way they unite. As Igbo many reach, they fit still unite. Why only one state not fit unite? Why? Why only one state not fit unite? Only one state wey be say Esa dey fight for their own kingdom. For inside one state. You know, because of all these things una dey do, no, Esa no gree develop. Na only una dey develop Esa. How many Benin people they go build that for Esa land? How many Benin people they go build that for Esa land? Because of the way that they behave. How many Benin people they build that for Esa land? Una dey check Esa land say na only una dey build that for na community there. Now they check say na only una dey build us on a community there. How many Benin people they go Esa land go build us? Because of the way that they behave. We Benin not go trust una again. We not trust una. Mama trust una. Mama trust una. And what you behave, Mama clear. When they say you behave that do, Mama clear. We on a one, we be one. You understand me? So are they vex because of this kind of video where they see where be say, some people, they only they bring Benin people down. Why? If some people they already bring Benin people down, wait to now again. What shall it profit to now for bringing these people down? What shall it profit to now? Which kingdom will they fight for? Some people. Which kingdom will they fight for? Which kingdom will they fight for? Now what they get? Now what get Esa kingdom? Get Benin kingdom for Esa one state? Now what get Esa kingdom? For Esa, now get Esa kingdom. Benin kingdom they one state. My people, they share this video now. At least may all the OS gather, may they listen to what they talk to. If it's good for them to bring on our kingdom, that Benin kingdom one of the years, so be not cover the OS, huh? My people, I bet more they share this video. More they share this video. I want maybe say many years come out, may they see say what they do no good. For that they bring Benin people down, what for the profit to now? What you go profit to now? For that they bring Benin people down, what you want profit to now? What you go profit to now? For that they bring Benin people down, Esa? What you go profit to now? Most of una will be Esa. Now Benin people na marry. Most of the Esa one they see so now Benin people now marry. Now they marry on herself. Now we be Esa. I know they see so now they marry on herself. Why? Now they marry on herself. So now not share this video, Now not share this video. Make some people for this here. More retalk the fact. What did they cause the problem? Where be say some people who now you they see Benin people finish. What did they solve? What did they solve? What did they solve? I bet more they share this video. More they share this video. More they share this video. What did they solve? For real now, it good more they talk the truth. What did Benin people do now? What did Benin people do now? We take una as one, we they love una, we like una. Still yet when they bring us down, they bring us down. Go money platform now, you go put platform, you they bring us down, they bring. What you go profit to now? What you go profit to now? What you go profit to now? What now go gain? What now want gain? To they bring una whole kingdom down. The Benin kingdom where they call Benin kingdom, it not cover now. The Benin kingdom where they talk, Benin kingdom not cover the OS. Benin kingdom not cover the OS. That's the question why they ask. The Benin kingdom not cover the OS. What you go profit us? What shall it profit you people for the bringing Benin people down? What you go profit to now? Which gain I want get? Now you they bring Benin people down every time. Some people now go they head to one platform, to that platform. They bring Benin people down. What you go profit to now? Which gain I want get? Which gain? We not be the same Benin. We not be the same those states. Don't be one state. All of us be. What not the fight? Now one get no king. I been one get no bar. What not the fight? What you na problem? What you na problem? Mona come and more talk. What you be real na problem? We be say una no fit move on. Make peace dey Benin. What you na problem? What you be na problem? Now you go they stay different platform. You they bring Benin people down. They bring our ancestors down. What shall it profit you guys? The Esa people, what shall it profit you guys? All these things when they do so some of Esa people. What you go profit to now? What you go profit to now for all these things when they do? Which gain una will get? Which award they want give you now? If una don't bring Benin people down finish, which award they will give you now? Esa people. Which award they want give you now? Which award they want give you now? Esa people. More they live like one piece, and more they live like one love. One love bring us together. One love bring us together. One unity bring us together. We are one. We can never share anything. Now they go they hide other Brafa. Even the Brafa when they hide other Brafa, now not say they cut those state come out. Una they hide under the symbol of Biafra. Una also say they cut on Edo State not the other Biafra. Una know they go look the map. People here they behave like illiterate. People here they behave like illiterate. Now they drag under Biafra. Now say me they call na Biafra. Okay, now the symbol of Biafra una they drag. We too na they drag. Una go look the map of Biafra. Edo State not they side. Forget say we some of people they support Biafra. We want me change come to Nigeria. You understand me? So we know they happy say they arrest una the Kalu. We all the fight for una the Kalu. May they release una the Kalu. May recon fight. May come take your whole country. We all the fight for, but don't be one until they do so. Now go they hide under Biafra. Now they hide under Biafra. Okay, wanna go Biafra map. Now go bring Biafra map. Edo State not they say Biafra map. Edo State not they say Biafra map. The truth have to be said. We have to talk the truth. If not they craze, wanna get sense. You understand me? So if not they craze, wanna go look map of Biafra. Benin Edo State is not on that map of Biafra. Not they, not they. Edo State not they on that map of Biafra. It not they side. If I not get sense, wanna go na history. Una not get sense. When they bring Edo State down, what you go profit now for they bring Edo State down? What you go profit now? What now go gain? What now go gain? Monkey face. Maybe you they do. But the tower take off for you, monkey face. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, we know our saga not will finish. Monkey face, even though they say I not get what they do again for social media, I'll continue to talk about your matter. Monkey face, I'll continue to talk about your matter every day. I'll continue to talk about matter. Time to come, me go leave everybody matter. Now you are go face monkey face. Monkey face. Now you me go face. Your part die for Benin now. You know if you go bury, that not be dead. That not life. See your part die for Benin now. You know if you go do burial because of the evil son where you be. Because of the evil son where you be, the evil son where you be. Your father die for Benin now. They want to do burial now. You know if you go burial. Umeti a cake burial where. Umeti a cake burial where Agmo we live na monkey face. And then have be where agogo wa be have be omo we then have be where have agogo wa be omo monkey face. Omo we hina. Omo no meti a cake burial where money here. To me be when me your meti je wona bi onu ya mo cake burial where Agmo we na e monkey face. Agmo we na. We to bu we o enegbu we area ya trained. Monkey face area ya trained. If you want to train monkey face, that's what they trained. By bringing your whole kingdom down, now you want to train. Now you want to train by bringing your whole kingdom down. What shall it profit you by bringing your whole kingdom down? What shall it profit you? What shall it profit you by bringing your whole kingdom down, monkey face? What shall it profit you? What shall it profit you? I bet more than they share this video. Gloria, I said to you. Gloria Johnson, yeah. More than they share this video. What shall it profit you for bringing your whole kingdom down? What shall it profit you? For bringing your own kingdom down, monkey face, what shall it profit you? What do you want gain? Which gain you want gain? Which award they want give you monkey face? See all the benefits where you get now. Your father died, you don't fit go burial. That's not the first benefit where you get. That's not the first benefit where you get. Your father died, your mother will still die, everybody for your generation will die. You cannot go there. We are lewe botifua. We are lewe botifua. We are lewe botifua. We are lewe botifua. Agmo werena monkey face. Agmo werena. Monkey face agmo werena. Agmo werena. Ekwegi mu me mani biowe. Eni biowe ya ekwegi mu ya monkey face. Ekwegi mu ya mani biowe ekwegi mu ya. They dey shame for your matter. They dey shame for your matter. Ekwegi mu ya for the nonsense wey you dey do. You have been committing evil, you have been committing atrocity in this social media. All in the name of the bring, you are bringing your own kingdom down. What shall it profit you, monkey face? What shall it profit you? Which gain you go get? Bringing your own kingdom down. What shall it profit you, monkey face? What shall it profit you? Our saga will soon start. You see me so? Our own saga. Not be all this one way they do so. Our own saga. It will be everlasting saga. Monkey face. It will take come out for you. Our own saga. It will be everlasting saga. Where be say, even BBC go dey carry our saga. Because of you, I go dey do some coloting. So that may I say you be real coward. You be real coward. For real. Truth doesn't mean not talk. You be real coward. Coward. I think one Leo state na mi ozuo or na mi ozuo. Ana me gbon wa buwe. I think lady o state na mi ozuo or say na me gbon wa buwe monkey face. ozuo we lari a generation we ozuo ya re lari o be o no support monkey face ozuo ya lari egbeni ozuo wa ya lari o be no support monkey face no ya duza no dona ozuo wa lari uwa ahi iraniya uwa ya neun oh be no support monkey face uwa ya neun enwe ogbeluwa enwe ogafuluwade o be no support monkey face enwe ogafuluwade uwa neun nebio oni suwa ki o to wa ya neun nebio uwa ga neun nebio oh be no support monkey face no una o ye san pa no ino ya le o da ni page atodo ya support monkey face ya mwedogboto uwa ya neun nebio enwe oni suwa ki o to wa ya neun nebio uwa neun nebio wa mie. What shall it profit you people for bringing your own kingdom down? What shall it profit you people? Waiting on one gain. Which gain? God